So Cubase 12 has a bunch of new features, and I'm going to show you 3 of those features that immediately drew my attention. First, let's look at the audio to MIDI chords. I have this guitar part right here. And now I can click it, go to Project, Chord Track, Create Chord Events. And these are my guitar chords. I can even assign these to my piano track. For the next feature, let's look at crossfades. Press X, double click, and here you can adjust every crossfade option you could dream of. The third feature is very useful if you master your own music in Cubase. As your very last plugin on the master bus, you can now add Lin Dither. Dithering is basically a way of randomizing the last bits in your signal so you minimize the distortion when you lower your bit depth. For example, when you go from a 24-bit project to a 16-bit master. So I hope this helped. If it did, please like the video and have fun making music.